Let's talk about a strategy that might feel counterintuitive at first. Niching down. Most new designers think they need to appeal to everyone to get enough clients. But here's the truth. When you try to speak to everyone, you end up speaking to no one. In this lesson, I'm going to show you why narrowing your focus can actually explode your business growth and how to choose a niche that sets you apart. So what does it mean to niche down? It means choosing a specific type of client, industry, or project type and becoming the go-to expert in that space. Instead of saying, I design websites for small businesses, you might say, I help real estate agents attract more buyers and sellers with high-converting websites. Or, I build clean, modern websites for wellness coaches who want to grow online. Notice how much more specific and compelling that sounds? Here's why niching works. 1, it makes your marketing easier. When you know exactly who you serve, it's easier to write your website copy, post on social media, and talk about your services. You're not guessing. You're speaking directly to your ideal client's pain points. 2, it builds authority faster. If you've built 10 websites for dentists, the 11th will be easier, better, and faster. You'll know what works, what they need, and what converts. That's real value, and people pay for it. 3, you attract better clients. Specialists get paid more than generalists. When clients see that you get their industry, they trust you more and are willing to invest. You're not just another designer. You're a strategic partner who understands their business. 4, you streamline your business. Proposals, pricing, onboarding, and even the design process all get faster and smoother when you're working within one niche. You can create systems, templates, and repeatable results. Now you might be wondering, won't I limit myself by picking a niche? Actually, the opposite is true. A clear niche makes it easier for people to refer you, for your marketing to land, and for your business to grow. And it doesn't mean you can't work outside your niche. You'll just lead with your specialty. So how do you choose your niche? Start by asking, what industries or communities do I care about? Where do I already have experience, contacts, or insights? What type of client would I love to work with every week? Is there a niche that already has a real need for better websites? You don't have to get it perfect right away. Start with a direction. Test it, refine it, let your niche evolve as you grow. Remember, clarity beats cleverness. Your ideal client should know in 5 seconds that you're the right fit for them. In the next lesson, we'll help you choose the right industry and validate that your niche actually has money, demand, and growth potential. Let's keep building with intention.